Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If the man in your life is looking for the perfect beard trimmer, then you have to check out this amazing one from Brio. Some of the features my husband really appreciated are that it doesn't tug or snag hair as he's trimming it. This trimmer can get real precise. It can go as low as 1 millimeter, but it also has guards that allow you to trim up to 18 millimeters. My husband does not have a long beard, and one of the things that he really liked about this is how precise this trimmer gets for getting exactly the right length of stubble. Also, this is really quiet and it has an amazing display. It actually lights up immediately when you pick it up. It'll tell you what speed it's at, what the millimeter is that it's set at, and also how much battery life is left. This has an insanely long battery life, which is amazing because it's such a bore to have to charge things all the time. My husband liked using this on one of the higher speeds, the 7,000 RPMs. He felt that fitted really well with the type of trim that he was trying to get. This has 5 different speed settings and a low friction ceramic blade that's actually harder than stainless steel. This blackout beardscape has been perfect for all of my husband's beardy needs. I love how smooth it is and just how it makes it easy for him to really trim things up and keep it sleek and professional. We think that you'll really like it too, but that's just our point of view.